The mantis shrimp packs a punch as powerful as a bullet, capable of shattering glass in an instant and revealing a hidden world of extraordinary underwater combat. With its club-like appendages, this vibrant marine warrior delivers blows at speeds reaching 50 miles per hour, generating shockwaves that can stun or even kill prey. Imagine witnessing this tiny titan take on crabs and mollusks with a force so intense, it creates light and heat through cavitation bubbles. This isn't just a fight for survival, it's a spectacular showcase of nature's raw power, where each strike unveils the shrimp's unparalleled precision and lethal efficiency. The mantis shrimp's explosive punch not only defends its territory but also opens a window into the fierce and fascinating dynamics of life beneath the waves.